She is more better is wrong sentence. Right sentence is she is better. Do you make these 50 common English mistakes every day? Let's fix them first. Not learn English grammar easily. Top 50 common mistakes in English. Correct your grammar fast with simple examples. Start now. Number 1. She is more better. She is more better is wrong sentence. Right sentence is she is better. Number 2. I did a mistake. Wrong. Right, I made a mistake. He is more taller. Wrong. He is taller. Right. I am agree with you. Wrong. I agree with you. Right. She didn't went home. Wrong. She didn't go home. Right. He don't like tea. Wrong. He doesn't like tea. Right. She have two cars. Wrong. She has two cars. Right. They was late. Wrong. They were late. Right. I am knowing him. Wrong. I know him. Right. We didn't add food. Wrong. We didn't eat food. Right. She is very much beautiful. Wrong. She is very beautiful. Right. I have seen him yesterday. Wrong. I saw him yesterday. Right. He is elder than me. Wrong. He is older than me. Right. She didn't understood me. Wrong. She didn't understand me. Right. They are doing party. Wrong. They are having a party. Right. He is more stronger. Wrong. He is stronger. Right. She can sing well. Wrong. She can sing well. Right. I didn't knew that. Wrong. I didn't know that. Right. They was playing outside. Wrong. They were playing outside. Right. She is liking coffee. Wrong. She likes coffee. Right. She is having two brothers. Wrong. She has two brothers. Right. I am going to school daily. Wrong. I go to school daily. Right. He didn't said anything. Wrong. He didn't say anything. Right. They was very happy. Wrong. They were very happy. Right. She is more smarter. Wrong. She is smarter. Right. She don't understand me. Wrong. She doesn't understand me. Right. He is more faster than me. Wrong. He is faster than me. Right. I am having a pen. Wrong. I have a pen. Right. They didn't finish work. They didn't finish work. Right. She can speak English. Wrong. She can speak English. Right. He don't know my name. Wrong. He doesn't know my name. Right. He is more intelligent than me. Wrong. He is more intelligent than he is. Right. I did forgot his number. They was waiting for us. Wrong. They were waiting for us. Right. He didn't eat breakfast. Wrong. He didn't eat breakfast. Right. She don't wants to go. Wrong. She doesn't want to go. Right. He is very much tired. Wrong. He is very tired. Right. I have ate my lunch. Wrong. I have eaten my lunch. Right. They was not ready. Wrong. They were not ready. Right. He is more kinder than her sister. Wrong. She is kinder than her sister. Right. He don't plays cricket. Wrong. He doesn't play cricket. Right. She is more braver than him. Wrong. She is braver than him. Right. I didn't knew his address. Wrong. I didn't know his address. Right. They was very angry. Wrong. They were very angry. Right. She is liking this movie. Wrong. She likes this movie. Right. He don't eat vegetable. Wrong. He doesn't eat vegetables. Right. She is more prettier than her friend. Wrong. She is prettier than her friend. Right. I am knowing the answer. Wrong. I know the answer. Right. They was happy yesterday. Wrong. They were happy yesterday. Right. She can sings very well. Wrong. She can sing very well. Right. Enjoy this, like and subscribe for more English tips.